Got this gloriousness pumpkin spice ice cap. It is so good. And I got a cookie for Miss B. B's having her sprouted grain or something like that bread with hummus. She ate the whole Tim Hortons cookie. Well, I helped her, but she ate quite a bit of it, so now she's having some hummus and bread. It is, and she's actually, sorry, I got my water. This is my Zero water pitcher. Highly recommend. It's better than the Brita. I have to actually get a new filter for it, but it's really good, and I just fill it up with the pot filler there. But it's 12:05, and ignore my hair. I really need to shower and wash it. I am so exhausted today, it's not even funny. So I'm gonna nap when she naps. But since we got home and at my parents' house, she's actually not been cranky at all. She was like, she's only cranky in the car because she's the type of baby that like hates being confined. But she was like playing and laughing here and everything. So I guess she's just done with her morning nap. It's just a thing of the past. But I wanted to share, I got a couple things from Pink Blush Boutique I wanted to show you guys. This is the one shirt. I just got it. I think it was on sale. Oh no, it's not. It wasn't on sale. They had 25% off. So this was one of their new arrivals. It's got a little pocket, little V-neck, and obviously it's maternity. It's a size small. I love this color. It's kind of like a gray blue. It's like really pretty. That guy's driving way too fast. It's really, really pretty, like a gray blue, and it's literally the softest material in the entire world. I know some people don't quite like Pink Blush because it's not like the thickest material and like amazing quality, but I always like their stuff, and they work for pregnancy, and I just like it. So so I got a couple, I just dropped my peaches everywhere. I got a couple tops that I will share with you guys, but this is the first one and I love it. Like, it's so comfortable. One of my biggest cravings this pregnancy, eggs, cheese in a whole wheat wrap with mayo. Not sure why, but I love it. Good morning, everybody. It's the next day. I forget why I stopped recording yesterday, but I'm waiting for my girlfriend Michelle to come. I'm seeing her again today. She and I are taking B to, it's called like the Early Years Center, and it's just like a play place for babies and toddlers and children, and it's free, and it's all like volunteer run, and they just have a bunch of like activities and stuff, and then she can interact with other kids. And so I'm really, yeah, we're gonna have fun. I'm excited. I had her hair all cute, and then she pulled the clip out. Didn't you, baby girl? Did you pull out your hair clip? Yeah, yeah, I did. So anyway, she should be here shortly. My poor mother, they're in Europe right now, and they're in Germany, and my mom said there was construction going on or something, and they were walking along the streets, and there's construction, so there's like stuff on the ground, and she fell, and she landed on her chin, so she's all black and blue on her chin and has a big goose egg, and she broke a bone in her foot. So my dad, because she couldn't walk, my dad had to call an ambulance. So they went to the hospital, and they couldn't cast it because of where the break is. But long story short, my poor mother is like, it broke her foot in Germany, and they had to cancel a bike tour, but they're still doing like other things, and they're still gonna go to Italy and stuff. She said she's just walking like Frankenstein. Like, she'll take like one step and then drag the other foot. I was like, oh Mom, I felt so bad. So anyways, that was the eventful thing in our family, but I see them, they come home next Thursday. Colin's picking them up from the airport. Where's my little bambino? There she is. Colin's picking them up from the airport, and it's the same day I have my ultrasound, so when they get home I was like, you guys might be getting exciting news, like maybe I'm having twins, I don't know. But anyways, so I'm excited to see them because I miss them lots. I gotta bring my newspaper in. But yeah, I just put my hair in like a half bun thing. I don't know if you can even see it. And it's again 27 degrees today, which is stupid hot, and it's gonna be the same tomorrow, but then it goes back down to the fall weather, thank God, because I hardly have any summer clothes. I'm a fall girl, so anyways, is what it is. So B and I, here's a hair, just got back from the play place and we are both exhausted. I am super tired. She fell asleep for like 5 minutes in the car, so she's got to go for a nap soon. But it was so much fun. It's completely free. It's all run by volunteers. And there are probably like, I'd say 15 to 20 other kids and babies there, all different ages. There were some babies that were only like 6 months, all the way up to like three-year-olds kind of thing, 4-year-olds. They have like different play places. So like one area's got like a train set and a little kitchen and a little table. The next one's like the messy station with like paint and sand and like Play-Doh-y things. Then they have like another sensory one, and then they have this room where we did like circle time and we all sang songs, and it was so funny because there's like this big colorful mat that had different like letters and numbers and animals on it, and Blake just she crawled into the middle during like the circle time and just like was like hitting the mat, and like it was so cute. She loved it. She's the sweetest baby because she got mommy's phone. No, sweetheart. That's for mama. No. Yeah, good girl. No, baby, can't have that. It's mommy's. You can have your book. She's the sweetest baby because there was another baby kind of around her age that was like throwing a fit on the floor and like crying, and Blake crawled over to her and gave her a kiss. And then there was another baby that was standing there looking at Blake, and Blake just went mwah, like to give her a kiss. It was so cute. She shared her toys. Like, she's just the sweetest baby. She had so much fun. She was just kind of watching everybody, and there's like these like more rambunctious little boys running around, and she was like like watching them. It was so fun. And the outdoor space was huge. It's like a massive backyard, and they've got like all this different little cars they can ride in, and like all these play places, and it's government funded, so it's like it's really nice and it's free. So they have drop-ins Monday to Friday, I think 9 to 1 or 9 to 12, and then I think it's 1 till 4. So, and you can go as many times as you want or whatever. So I think I'll take her again. Today's Friday, so I'll take her again next week. I might do like twice a week. Is that your train? Choo-choo train? But it was so fun. It was nice to talk to other moms, and my friend Michelle went, and she's gonna bring her daughter whatever when she's due in November. So she said she's gonna bring her daughter, and it'll just be so much fun. Like, I love it, and just socializing and getting out of the house, and it's free. Like, come on. So, and she loved it, so I can't wait to take her again. And it's so fun to see her like with other kids, and she's so sweet. You want, Mommy? I gotta go read her book. So I'm just about to have some lunch. Bee is in bed. I've got romaine lettuce with chickpeas, a little bit of parm, onions, tomatoes, olive oil and vinegar dressing with some crumbled up crackers, and I'm so excited to eat this. Just prepping dinner right now. I'm holding Bee while I do this because she's got a cranky. So I just boiled about 3 potatoes. I put in an egg. I'm going to put in salt, green onion, a can of salmon, and then some breadcrumbs, and form them into little cakes. They make like salmon cakes, and then you fry them up in the frying pan, and they're so good. I'll show you what they look like when I'm finished. Once you mix it up, that's what it looks like, and then you form them into patties and fry them in the frying pan. And Bee's on the counter because I had to put her down. I'm gonna make one of those stools for her, or get Colin to, but he's gone right now, so eventually. That's what they're starting to look like, and I just have a couple carrots for Bee. Gonna boil them up, and this smells so good. Honestly, it's delicious. And if you want to get salmon into your kids, I promise they'll like this. Having some carrots and her salmon cakes. Is it good? She likes it. Of course, gotta keep it real. The missus dropped her food on the floor. Didn't eat all of it, but I guess she wasn't as hungry. Someone else's child sit on the dishwasher while I clean up. Morning everyone, it's the next day, and I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. I had a busy day. My sister-in-law came and did my lashes, and today is a super busy day. I can't really vlog because I have a wedding to go to and I have to drive an hour away. So I'm leaving, well, in about an hour. And then I have to go to my girlfriend's bridal shower right after with the baby. So I will see you on Sunday. Bye.